SOS Solutions offers free help to Southern California homeowners and building owners as soon as they've had emergency damage. We schedule each specialty contractor you may need in order to fully restore your property in the shortest time possible. We also manage the entire repair project for you from beginning to end until all repairs are completed and your property is fully restored. Our services in helping you find, hire, and manage the best contractors are free. Plus, we've already verified and vetted each of our contractors in our network, so we've already done the work for you. Call SOS Solutions today for your free help in hiring the top emergency restoration contractors in Southern California at 1-888-589-1868.